We've got some nice Churchill out of the blue modern earthenware china to show you. Not particularly old, vintage pieces made by Churchill in this very nice pattern. It's called Out of the Blue and it's inspired by a lady called Mary Gilliatt, and it says that very nicely on the recumbent line Churchill mark there. Out of the Blue, inspired by Mary Gilliatt, made in England, number 3 on the saucer plate. Isn't it beautiful? Lovely big block work, transfer printed blue hatched with these little rope detailings, and the on the side plate moving to this floral design with this what looks like speedwell and honeysuckle all picked out in blue and white china. Again, nice detailed Churchill marks. It's all in very near mint condition, and the little teacup in this trio, again with floral block work, a nice line of transfer print, and same on the reverse of the teacup. Just made in England, stamped with a C for Churchill either side. Plain, quite nice handle, good robust piece of earthenware, Churchill blue and white. So there we have it. These trios are going on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. They're not going to be too expensive because they're not antiques. They are vintage, very nice, near mint condition examples of this Churchill brand. We've also, I think, got some dinner plates, dessert plates, and some cereal bowls. I think this came from a house where they bought a set of 4, probably in one of those Churchill box packs that are very popular towards the end of the 20th century when you were setting up home or would be gifted as a wedding present. That sort of box set, I presume, because it's all mint condition in 4s and doesn't really look as if it's had any use during its life. It's all very, very clean with no signs of knife marks or scrapes on any of it. So if you are a collector of Churchill out of the blue, want to either increase your collection of teacups and side plates, desserts or bowls, do head over to our website. We'll pop a link in the description below which will take you through to the listing for these teacup trios going on sale this morning on the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.